Did you know that Indonesia is one of the most biodiverse countries on Earth? Spread across more than 17,000 islands, Indonesia sits at the meeting point of Asia and Oceania. This unique location helped create extraordinary ecosystems filled with wildlife found nowhere else. Indonesia is home to orangutans, Komodo dragons, birds of paradise, tree kangaroos, and thousands of species that continue to surprise scientists today. Its rainforests rank among the oldest and most species-rich ecosystems on the planet. But many of these habitats face increasing pressure from deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and climate change. Protecting biodiversity begins with understanding it. That's why we built Species Map. Explore Indonesia's wildlife and discover species from around the world. Follow for more biodiversity stories from every corner of the planet.